My name is Talia, and I am a student in the PVA Vocal Music program at Broadneck High School. The first thing you will want to do is go to the PVA website at www.aacps.org/PVA and carefully read the audition requirements so that you understand them.
Hi everyone, my name is Sydney and I am also a student in the PVA vocal program at Broadneck. We've been asked to put together a short presentation to assist you in your preparation for your audition for the high school PVA vocal music program. The first part of the audition is the prepared piece, Simple Gifts. On the website you will see two versions of the piece. One is in the key of A and the other is in the key of F. You should pick the one that fits your voice the best. If you are unsure, ask the music teacher at your school or come to one of the audition prep nights at Broadneck to get help.
To start the prepared piece, you will get a starting pitch and then perform the song. I will now demonstrate the prepared selection. Tis the gift to be simple, tis the gift to be free, tis the gift to come down where you ought to be. And when we find ourselves in the place just right, 'twill be in the valley of love and delight.
The second part of the audition is pitch matching. You will hear a recording of several patterns and will sing them back. You can use any neutral syllable to sing the pitch, such as la. I'll now demonstrate the pitch matching part of the audition.
After the pitch matching, you will be asked to demonstrate your ability to sight read. There are two short sections of this part of the audition. The first is rhythmic sight reading. You will be given a short piece of music and a 1-minute study period. Once this 1 minute is up, you'll be asked to demonstrate this piece. I'll now demonstrate rhythmic sight reading. One, two, ready, begin. 1, 2, E and a 3, 4. 1 E and a 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 E and a 1 E and a 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 E and a 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 E and a 1 E and a 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and a 3, 4.
The second sight reading exercise is a melodic sight reading. Just like the first sight reading exercise, you will receive a short piece of music and will have 1 minute to study it. You will receive a pitch at the beginning of the 1 minute study time to help you with the notes. During the 1 minute study time, you are encouraged to clap the rhythms out, say the note names, etc. to help you understand the music. The only thing you may not do is actually sing the piece until asked to do so. I'll now demonstrate a melodic sight reading.